Today I'm reviewing the Lee Young folding hand truck and dolly with a 309-pound capacity. I purchased this item because I needed a portable, durable solution for transporting heavy items with ease, especially for events and setups where we need quick flexibility. I like to use this hand truck for hauling equipment and supplies, and its foldable design means I can easily tuck it away when I'm done. It's lightweight yet sturdy and perfect for carrying heavier loads without a hassle. Some of the key features include a max capacity of 309 pounds, an all-aluminum frame, and a telescoping handle that expands up to 47 inches for extra versatility. It also comes with comfortable foam rubber handles, smooth rolling 7-inch wheels, and it folds down to just 2 inches thick for easy storage. As a bonus, it includes a free elastic rope to secure your load. So my final thoughts, if you need a reliable portable cart for transporting heavy items, this Lee Young folding hand truck is a fantastic choice. It's versatile, easy to use, and a great addition to your equipment collection.